Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect to this Arch Linux device from our Windows 11 device, and we'll be using SSH. Now on the Arch Linux device, there's two key things we need to do, or we need to check. We need to check that SSH is enabled, and we'll also need the IP address to use on the Windows 11 device for the remote connection. Now I'm going to open the terminal and do a check here. To check if SSH is running, we'll use systemctl status sshd, and right now it says that it's inactive here, so we need to get the services started. We can repeat the command systemctl, and then we'll say start sshd. We'll need to put in our password. And let's repeat the command to check the status, and now it's active and running. The next thing we need is the IP address. We can use the command IP address here. So this is the interface, ENS33. The IP address is 172.16.1.102, and we also need the username in order to do the remote connection from the Windows 11 device. So with that information, what I'm going to do, since I'm going to be using the same username, I'm going to go ahead and log out from this Arch Linux device. Then let's head over to the Windows 11 device here. Now on the Windows 11 device, we can use the built-in SSH client to do the connection, and we can use the command prompt or PowerShell. So we just search for, I'll use command prompt, so cmd, and then I'll open the command prompt here. Now the first thing you might want to do is you just want to verify that you can reach that Arch Linux device. You can use ping, and then the IP address was 172.16.1.102 here, and I'm able to ping the device. So I sent 4 packets and received 4 packets. Now the command to do SSH connection is SSH, and then the username configured on the Arch Linux device, the @, the IP address 172.16.1.102. Press enter. So if it's your first time, the key fingerprint is not going to be known. You might have to type yes here to accept it. Then type in the password for the user email. And as you can see, I'm connected. You can do W here. It's using SSH-D. You can do W, or you can do who am I. So that's pretty much it. That's how you use SSH using the command prompt or PowerShell. There's another option. You can use tools like PuTTY. It's GUI based. You'll have to download it. Let's see if we can download PuTTY. So PuTTY download, then go to putty.org and then download PuTTY, and then select the one you want here. I'm gonna go with the 64-bit. Should be a quick download, and that should download to your downloads folder. Go to the downloads folder, and there's PuTTY. Double click on it to install it. Click next, install. Now once you have PuTTY installed, you can search for it here. And this is it right here. Just put in the IP address 172.16.1.102. It's using port 22 for SSH. Now you have the option to customize your connections. You can change some of these settings, or you can go with the default. All you have to do is just click open, accept, and then type in the username and password. And we are logged in again. So that's all for this video. That's how you can remotely connect to an Arch Linux device from a Windows 11 device using SSH. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.